It's all scrubbed and cleaned and stuff. We're gonna apply some of this NIC to here to keep it from sticking. Alright, y'all. Y'all see, we're lubing. We putting NICs on all this stuff. We don't want no problems. We out here in Michigan where it get salt and rusty, so just smearing this on here and on this side because this is where it get caught up, y'all. We just seen that, pulling it off. So just smearing this on here, and we gonna finish up right back. All right, y'all. We got some new rotors. That was for somebody that said one of the other videos about somebody not replacing their rotors or something with the brakes. People do replace their rotors when they get a chance to, y'all. All right, hold on. All right, just cleaned them down with the cleaner. All right, y'all. We gonna put some lube on here too. All right, bam, y'all. We got a rotor on. All right. All right, y'all. We're gonna take our safety screw and screw it right back in.